Right, welcome to the eTrex GPS instructions. This is the eTrex GPS unit. On the right hand side we have the power button there and the page button, which you can think about as like a back button to exit out of menus or to move through menus. On the other side we have a enter button and then an up and a down button to scroll through menus. Enter sort of selects menus and is the OK button. If we turn it on, we need to turn it on using the power button, and then we wait for a signal. We're inside at the moment, so we won't actually be able to connect to any satellites. It may say weak signal, but you need to stand in a clear location away from tall buildings and wait for up to sort of 2, 3, 4 minutes for it to get a signal. When it's got a signal, it will say that. So we're going to use the page button here to scroll through the menus. Press it again. Press it again, press it again, and we get to this, which is your sort of main menu. As you can see from the top there, the first item on that list is mark. Choose mark to select a waypoint. Click enter. Then choose OK to set a waypoint. Use the page button to go back to the menu. If you can't already, then select waypoints, which is the second one down on the list. Click enter. You'll see that it will have created a waypoint for you. Select that waypoint you created by using enter and then enter again. Now you use the arrow buttons, which are again up here, to move down to the grid reference at the very bottom of the screen. Click enter to edit that, and then in this box edit your grid reference to the one shown on your help sheet. So for instance, this might be 6, the next one might be, click 9, enter, and then scroll up or down till OK is highlighted. Press enter and then scroll up to go to. When you press that, if you were outside, you would see that rather than having this weight tracking satellite screen, it would give you an arrow to follow. You follow that arrow to your waypoint that you have just set, to the coordinates that you've entered. It will tell you how long it will possibly take you to get to that waypoint, as well as the distance to that waypoint. When you get within about sort of 50 to 70 feet of that waypoint, it will say on the screen destination reached or something similar. So it's fairly approximate, but that is when you know. What you do then is you'll go back to your waypoint, click enter, click enter again to select the waypoint, and then edit the coordinates to the next point of interest, and repeat this process from inputting locations. OK. Well, thank you for listening.